Greetings from the Fredericktown homestead. Burping our half-gallon jugs that have the lids that need burping. The cauliflower actually looked like it was boiling when it first got burped. The other ones didn't bubble near as much. The okra and garlic have floated, so they're going to need a weight. The peppers have also come to the surface a little bit, but
The peppers have a weight in them.
the peppers have a weight in them. That keeps it down from the surface.
Need a towel, huh?
The idea is to keep stuff anaerobic, not have any oxygen reach the product. All of them are cloudy, or at least the two that we can see. The cauliflower and the okra are both cloudy. Not sure. If you've ever fermented, please comment. God bless.